So we're constantly battling trash, sediment, and debris.
It looks like it has some heavy sediment and buildup in it. They're invasive and they create an issue for the rest of the plants.
We're currently going to inspect it with our Q's camera and see what we got going on.
Finding the balance between safety and impact is hard.
That's what we do. This is the dirty part of PWQ.
My name is Jesse Abeda. I'm the TM2 here over at Permanent Water Quality. We're out here basically removing any trash or debris that's left behind by the public, weed whipping, and identifying and mitigating invasive species of weeds. And they're invasive and they create an issue for the rest of the plant, so it's good to spray them, identify them, remove them. The debris and pollutants from roads and runoff obviously leach down into the waterways and could be horrible for the environment, causing erosion, plant decay, vegetation removal. Control measure is something that will capture sediment and debris and remove it from entering our waterways. We're here in Sedalia inspecting a culvert with our Q's camera. So we're gonna go inspect it and see what the issue is. But that's it, found our problem. The issue with it today is there's a lot of heavy sediment and trash built up. If it doesn't function properly, we get a lot of buildup and then eventually overflow, which causes flooding and a lot of damage to vehicles, whether sliding out or wrecking.
So the main idea is to remove the sediment and this soggy stuff, let it dry. Eventually, once it dries, we'll come back and remove it. So we want it to look like this. As you can see, it's a lot of trash and it's unfortunate, it's sad to see. You look at stuff like this, you know, every single one of us throws a piece out, we're causing damage to our waterways. That's what PWQ is focusing on. How do we mitigate this issue? How do we stop this issue from happening over and over repeatedly? And this isn't just the only one, you know, there's 421 control measures throughout the state that we focus on, and it's frustrating, but we're here to do it. We're here to keep Colorado beautiful.
We go to extreme measures to try to reduce that impact to the environment and still provide the safety to the motoring public. For example, in our plows, we use technology that measures what we're putting out. What I find most rewarding about my job is seeing the impact of what we do in a positive way. And so taking a control measure or roadside vegetation that's weedy and overgrown and then putting it back to more natural appearance. And then waterways, seeing the sediment removed, the litter debris, and seeing that clean water come out the backside of that outlet structure.
Most people don't know what we're doing every day and the impact that we're having, but that's okay. We'll keep doing it.